I'm going to show you how to do an email newsletter. Now, I highly recommend Aweber. Now, that doesn't mean that you have to use it. Constant Contact is good. MailChimp is good. You can even use Housecall Pro or Service Monster. However, Aweber does have more bells and whistles for really what you can do for an email system. And it's only $20 a month. So that being said, that's what I recommend. There's a free month trial beneath this video. So enough about that, but you can use whatever system that you want to use. For the purposes of this video, I'm just kind of showing you the basics of how this works and kind of what to do in an email newsletter. Now, right now, it's Valentine's Day, so we're going to be talking about Valentine's marketing. Now, think about this for just a minute. Your client right now, maybe they've kind of forgotten about you. They're not thinking about cleaning that much. Now is a great time to start introducing the whole concept of cleaning back to them. So sending them an email would be great this time of year. And again, you can do it in your own Outlook or whatever program that you're using, but I highly recommend against that. I do recommend that you use some software, ideally, especially if you're sending out more than a few dozen emails. So this is a template that we've got in the ad club where we kind of give you the whole subject line idea that you can copy and text and picture and everything. So that's kind of what we're going to be going from. And it's also too based on the same postcard that we're actually sending out to past clients. It's a good idea to just put both of them in the mix. Don't just send them an email, send them a postcard. In fact, postcards are going to get more noticing than an email, but email is so cheap to do that yes, do it. But don't neglect your clients and only send an email, because unfortunately a lot of them won't open up the email, and then a postcard's the only way to really thoroughly get that message through. The compliment and the real winner is doing all of it. And also too, taking the same message and also putting it on Facebook and your other social media as well. So here we go. We're going to go over here and first copy the subject line, because this is all already set. And what we're going to do is go over to Aweber, and we're either going to go to messages and broadcasts and create a message. Sometimes it's called a message, sometimes it's called a broadcast. It depends on which system that you're using. We're going to use the drag and drop here in Aweber, and this is going to be all set up right here, and we're going to paste that subject line right there. What we're going to do is go ahead and save this image right to our downloads, and we're going to be putting this in here in just a minute, but we're going to probably go ahead and put a little thing in here to put a separate image in, and we're going to go ahead and click to edit, and we're going to upload this here. We've got this in our downloads file, so we're going to find where we put that on our computer, and we're going to pop that in. Now we also may want to go ahead and put another image in for our logo on top of that. Let's go ahead and do that, and let's upload. Well, actually, I think I've already got in the image gallery. You can either upload it or you can use the existing logo that you've got. That's kind of a bigger one, so we're going to downsize this down some so it's not quite as big. There we go. And then now we're going to have room for text underneath this, either the article or probably a paragraph underneath this. And what we're going to do is come back over here and shrink that down so we can see it better. And then we're going to copy the text over here from the template there in the ad club, and we're going to paste all of that in. And as you see, a little bit of tweaking here and there. You might want to change the color of the subheads, but a lot of it's already there. A lot of it's already set. We're going to go over here and change that to a nice red for Valentine's Day. Let's make that a redder red. Let's see. That might be a little bit redder. So here we go over here, and we're going to pick the same red over here. Apply that, and there we go. We might want to space some of this other stuff out here, and of course put in our actual website, our actual phone number, but you kind of get the idea. This is the email newsletter. I can switch the text, do whatever I want. I can make the text bigger if I want to come over here and go to the 12 points and maybe make it 14 points. I can make it even larger than that if I wanted to, but you kind of get the idea. You get the picture. Got the headline in there. Now if I want to, I'm going to do a preview and test, and send a message to myself so I can see what that looks like. Check it out over here. And yes, this is about what I was hoping for. I might want to make the text a little bit larger, but it looks like a nice little email newsletter. So I might adjust that a little bit. And then after I'm done, I'm going to save and exit right here. And then I'm going to do send options and schedule a broadcast. Now, normally when you send out an email newsletter, you're going to want to send it and have it delivered anywhere between Tuesday and Thursday. Morning is probably preferable. Avoid sending it on a Monday or Friday or Saturday. Most of the time, Tuesday through Thursday, known in the email world, those are the better days to send. Sometimes in the afternoon you can test if you want, but a lot of times for a cleaning business you want it to be during hours that you're open, and that's why you want to put the phone number in there so that they're going to call you during that time. And that's basically it. Again, send email newsletters maybe every week, maybe every other week. I probably wouldn't do it more often than once a week, and then on occasions I'd send it every other week. But you do want to do something like this to just connect with your clients. Some clients love email newsletters, some of them don't, but the ones that do, it's so cheap to do to stay in touch with your past clients and realtors and referral sources and the people that can refer you that it's just a no-brainer. Do it. Send email newsletters. Test it out, try it out, start collecting emails when you book a job. Also start collecting emails on your website. Actually, Aweber has a little opt-in where you can put it on your website or even on your Facebook page where people can just automatically opt into your email newsletter. So you're sending it very, very easily to your past and current clients and referral sources. So do it. We've got templates for all of these email newsletters for Valentine's, of course, for spring, for summer, for every season, for different topics, for different educational things in the Ad Coaching Club. All of it is already written for you, and all you have to do is copy and paste it out just like I showed you. All different sorts of topics, all different sorts of seasons. It's all there and it's all ready. And you can use the same exact content on Facebook. You can repurpose it also for content for your Facebook page. All of the information for how to sign up for this is in the Ad Coaching Club at www.hitmanadvertising.com or give us a call at 850-474-1110.